Hey guys, I'm here to show you how to remove the seat safety switch for a Craftsman tractor. All you gotta do is remove these two bolts right underneath the seat. All I do is remove them fully. Really not long at all. It's the easiest way I know how to do it without cutting any wires. So you just pull this off. See these little things right here? These sleeves, just pull them off. Be on both sides. Take it off. Don't need them. Put the springs back on. Yeah, put the springs back on here. Bring the plate back up. Bolts. Yeah, started. Oh, it's fucking cold. And the same on the other side. I just want to tighten these all the way down until they bottom out. Bottom both of them out. There you go, that's all you do. That's all you need to do. To remove the seat safety switch without cutting any wires. Thanks for watching.